Hello guys, welcome to Perfect Himalayan Camping and Trekking now with our guest Mr. Arun, and he is with me from last 6 days, and
Yes.
we just want to know how his experience with us.
Yeah, sure, I will say. So, you want to say the review in English or Hindi or mix of both?
As you wish.
Okay, I'll give a mix of both. So, first of all, my friend referred to me here and he stayed here. And उसने बताया था अगर आप उत्तराखंड जा रहे हैं, just only go with Mr. Arvind's Himalayan tour only. So, and yes, I followed his lead, and I must say I don't regret anything of it right from the start. The pickup से until now, I never felt like I was away from home. Or and I have his friend Mr. Avdesh also here. You can see him. You can say hi.
Sure.
Yeah, he was also there, always ready. Both of them and his family and everywhere, right from the stay, help me with the luggage or anything. If I call Turant, my solution. Heater ka okay, food ka hai, pani kya chahiye. Like I never had to go behind until everything was done and it's all well sorted because it is already थिंक थोड़ा डार्क आ रहा है
नहीं नहीं
मुझे
कोई
नहीं
बात कोई बात
कोई बात हाँ ओके तो मुझे आई फील लाइक उत्तराखंड इज
वृंदावन
हेवन एंड अरविंद जी एंड हिज टीम मेड इट मोर लाइक हेवन देखिए पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ है लाइक जैसे जैसे बोलते हैं कि देवभूमि है इंडीड ये देवभूमि ही है और अगर आपको उत्तराखंड जाना इट्स लाइक पीपल विल थिंक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टूर पैकेजेस अराउंड and I'm not blaming any tour package, I'm just saying in general, but sometimes people will not
बिल्कुल
organize in the right way and you'll be stuck
तो कहाँ
where to
घूमे आप हमारे साथ?
बहुत हमने एक्स्ट्रा भी किया था हमारे पास टाइम भी था हमने पहले डे वन में अवली जोशीमठ घूम पर लेकिन अवली में पता नहीं वहाँ पे कुछ क्लोज था तो वी जस्ट वेंट अराउंड एक्सप्लोर द नियर बाय प्लेसेस देन द नेक्स्ट डे वाज वी वेंट टू तुंगनाथ इट वाज रियली गुड explored whole of it and okay and the second one and the third day we went to Ruch Mahadev and Kalimat. Indeed, I must say, beautiful. Tungnath ji bhi hai, jo bhi hai. And the climate was very favorable. The only thing was I was disappointed that I couldn't see the snow. But ek din ki wo acha tha. Terrain easy tha. But like yes, and the climate was good. It's chilly, but manageable. And next, the most dangerous event was Kalsila, which is not planned in our itinerary, but it was indeed the best spiritual journey. It's an unexplored place, and there I met spiritual gurus and I you could really feel माता की presence ना आपको चाहिए तो but उसका terrain easy नहीं है पर it's not like impossible अगर if you have a will there is a way and all this was possible by the motivation Arvind and his team gave me and on the way back I had my knee sprain and my friend Avdesh over here he helped me a lot to climb down I had a very bad knee sprain and but managed it and then
today
it's
we
a,
went to
we went to this
Omkareshwar,
Omkareshwar,
Guptkashi.
Guptkashi, and
That is because Vishwanath Temple,
Vishwanath Kashi
Guptkashi,
Vishwa Gupta जो हाँ
Guptkashi.
गुप्त was hidden गुप्त
Hmm.
in Hindi means hidden
Hmm.
right हाँ वो है और त्रियुंग नारायण जैसे शिव और पार्वती जी की विवाह हुआ था
विवाह
तो
स्थल
that
है.
is also where it was this overall I must say it was a mesmerizing experience and the tent it's the first time I'm staying in a tent every time I had opportunity but it never worked out but it have and I don't feel like leaving the tent ऐसा सोचे कि यहाँ पे रह जाओ हमेशा के लिए तो अगर मैं आपको रेंट दे दूँ तो आप मुझे रखोगे
Yeah,
ना
definitely.
हाँ जब
You're
मैं
most
आऊँगा
welcome
हाँ तो मैं
anytime. मैं
जब
सब
मेरा
पैसे दूंगा.
मेरा ड्यूटीज वगैरह ठीक करके ना मैं सोचूं कि मैं भी 6 मंथ्स काम करके 6 मंथ्स यहाँ पे भी अपना जॉब भी करूँ तो फिर यहाँ पे
वर्क फ्रॉम
वाडा पे
होम
रह
हुआ.
सकते हैं हाँ
हाँ.
ये देन और इसके उसकी आई मस्ट नॉट मिक्स एंड आई मस्ट से his family also everyone दीदी and the kids they were all well behaved and well well I must say, what do you say? Like a family only, and not to miss out Max, the cute doggy, was playing. We became in love with each other on the first date, sir. And I will really miss everyone. And thanks, Arvinji, for the trip. And looking for more trips, and definitely recommend everyone to follow his lead and have trust in him. And again, Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas, and I
Yes,
wish you
yes.
all a Happy New Year. Make your plans in 2023 to visit Devbhumi along with Arvind and team. Yup.
Thank
And
you.
you have anything to say about me, you can say.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely. And we also had a great time with Mr. Arun and अवधेश ऑल्सो मीन्स सब कुछ अच्छा लगा। देखो यार, हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि आप घूमने आओ तो अच्छे लोग, मतलब अच्छे लोग अगर मिल जाते तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कंपनी ज्वाइन करने में अच्छा लगता है और घूमने में और मज़ा आता है, राइट
हाँ
अरुण?
जी, पक्का।
तो अच्छा लगा इनके साथ में, हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। वी स्पेंड अ गुड टाइम विद टुगेदर एंड वी विश हैप्पी जर्नी एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल
मैं
अगेन।
जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ। क्या करूँ, मजबूरी।
Yes.
खींच रहा है मुझे।
Definitely we wish
थैंक यू।
we meet again in future also. And
Always, and you are welcome to my place
yes,
too.
definitely. We definitely, whenever we have a time, definitely we visit your place also. We again thanks for your beautiful comments for us and happy.
It's all sincere comments and nothing artificial. दिल से आरा से trust सबसे, this is the best place to go. If you're booking a tour to Uttarakhand, this is the best place, the best people.
Thanks.
Safe भी होगा, enjoyment भी होगा. It's really good. See you guys.
Thank you. Thanks
Yeah,
a
then
lot.
thanks you too.
Thanks, Arun. Thanks.
Welcome.